In this video, I'm going to share with you how I'm generating thousands of dollars per month passively by creating and selling digital products, and how you can do this too. And how you can speed up the process using AI tools like Canva and ChatGPT. So if you're looking for a side hustle that's easy, scalable, and takes advantage of the latest AI tools, then stick around because you're going to want to watch this video all the way to the end. So let's dive in. All right, let's start with the basics. What exactly are digital downloads and why are they so profitable? Digital downloads are products you can sell online without any physical inventory. Think of things like ebooks, templates, planners, printable art, courses, and more. And once these are created, you can sell these over and over and over again. For example, selling a digital planner for something like $29 might not seem like a lot of money at first, but if you sell 530 copies of that digital planner, that's $15,299 completely passively. And once your product is made, you can sell it over and over again, and your job simply becomes focusing on promoting that digital product. And digital downloads are great because while they are effort upfront to create, just like any other business opportunity out there, again, once they're created, you can sell these again and again and again. You don't have to have physical inventory. You don't have to be creating new products every single time somebody wants to place an order. And this is why this is one of the best ways to generate consistent passive income. And if you want my full in-depth training of how you can create and passively sell your very own digital products, then go ahead and register your free seat for my totally free on-demand training. It's the first link in the description below this video. Okay, now let's talk about how to use Canva to create your digital product quickly and easily. And if you've been living under a rock and you're not sure what Canva is a free online design tool that makes it super easy to make professional looking designs. They give you templates, stock photos, color palettes, everything you need to be able to just adjust a design very, very quickly and have it turn out looking like you are a professional graphic designer, even if you aren't one. So let's say you want to create an ebook. All you have to do is pull up a Word document, outline the ebook, go ahead and write it, and you can use ChatGPT to assist you in the writing, which will really speed up the process. And then you can go into Canva, find a template that you like, simply paste in the text, adjust it to your colors, images, to whatever it is to your liking, and then you can download it as a PDF. From there, you can host it in something like Google Drive, so that way whenever somebody buys your digital product, you can automatically send them the link to where they can download that digital product. For example, if you use Canva to create a set of $49 social media templates, with just 50 sales in a week, that's $2,400. Canva literally saves you so much time and effort, not to mention money. Way back in the day, I used to have to pay thousands of dollars to use Photoshop, and it took me years and years, middle school and high school and partly through college, just to learn the software. Whereas Canva, I think I was able to learn it in a few days. It's very simple and there's lots of tutorials online. And again, you don't need to be a designer. You don't need to spend years perfecting this skill, and you don't need to spend a lot of money to hire a designer either. Just create a free Canva account, choose a template, customize it to your liking, download it, host it, and you're ready to sell. Okay, now let's dive into how to use AI tools like ChatGPT to help speed up this process and make it even easier for you to make a profit from your own digital products. ChatGPT helps you create content so quickly. When I first started selling ebooks in around 2013, 2014, I had to write everything from scratch, and it took me weeks, sometimes months, to create that ebook. But now with ChatGPT, I can literally create it in minutes. I just come up with the title, the outline, which ChatGPT can also help you come up with, and then I tell ChatGPT to actually write the ebook. From there, I can go in and say, hey, could you change this paragraph to talk more about this or less about this? Or could you rewrite this ebook in the voice of a 37-year-old millennial woman? Like whatever you want it to be. The thing is, you just have to get creative and really think, what do you want it to be able to tell ChatGPT how to best help you. But I've been so surprised at the level in which it can help me create exactly what I want just by being really specific and telling ChatGPT exactly what I want. So whether you're writing an ebook or scripts or prompts or templates or courses, and you need ChatGPT to help you write the scripts for those videos, ChatGPT can help you do that. In fact, I've been using ChatGPT to write my YouTube scripts recently, and it has cut down my time from weeks of script writing to literally 4 hours to write 8 video scripts. Wild stuff. For example, you could use ChatGPT to help you write an ebook that you could sell for around $39. And if you sold 400 copies in a month, that would be $15,600 in a month. And thanks to ChatGPT, you should be able to get this done in a matter of hours so that you can start focusing on promoting and selling your digital products and making money as quickly as possible. So if you're not using ChatGPT yet in your day-to-day career or creating digital products, what are you doing? What are you waiting for? It is literally so helpful. Again, this allows you to make the creating process as quickly as possible so you can focus on selling your digital product, which is what's going to make you money. Okay, now let's talk about everyone's favorite part. Where do you sell your digital products? And everyone asks me, Molly, what platform do you sell on? What platform do you sell on? What platform do you sell on? Well, I'm about to surprise and shock you. I do not sell on a platform, nor do I recommend selling on a platform like Etsy or Amazon or Shopify or something like that. Yes, you technically can sell on these platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Amazon, etc., but I do not recommend it. There are a number of downfalls to selling on these platforms. Feel free to Google if you would like some more reasons, but for me, I don't like building my business on someone else's platform. They could shut me down, their platform could shut down, and not only that, but there is so much competition on these platforms because people just think, oh, well, this is the easiest thing to do. I can go ahead and just put my digital product up on this platform and it will sell. But I can tell you from experience and from hearing from lots of other people that it is not that easy. Like I said, there are lots of competitors on the platform, so it takes a lot to stand out. And most of the time you're gonna have to end up paying listing fees and also fees to run ads to stand out in the crowd of competition. Okay, so Molly, how do you actually cut through the noise? How do you actually sell and not have a ton of competition, not have a bunch of listing fees, and not have to pay to run ads? Well, the answer has been under your nose this whole time. Drum roll. I recommend growing your own following on YouTube. And I know you're sitting there thinking, well, Molly, that's easy for you because you have a following on YouTube. But do you know why I have a following on YouTube? Because I decided to start. I wasn't born with a following on YouTube. I wasn't given a following on YouTube. I did not buy a following on YouTube. I decided one day that I was fed up with running ads and having so much competition with digital products that I decided to grow my own following on YouTube. And yes, it took time, but I was able to generate sales even when my channel was still really small and obviously up to this day. And I plan to keep selling this way as well. So what you want to do is decide on your niche. What do you want to teach about? What are you passionate about? Grow a YouTube channel around that. At the same time, create a freebie that someone can download when they put in their name and email address to get on your email list. If you're not sure how this works or what this is, check out any of my freebies in the description below this video so you can see how it works. That way you'll be building your YouTube following and your email list at the same time. Again, you don't need hundreds of thousands of followers or millions of followers. I was able to start generating email leads and sales right away, growing my YouTube channel. Of course, when my channel was small, the amount of sales I made was small. But as I continued to grow my channel, grow my following, grow my email list, and then I had more people to contact about my digital product, the more my sales grew. And today it's the same way. If I want to make more sales, I need to continue growing my following. Lead generation is where it's at. And you might be thinking,
but that sounds hard. Growing on YouTube is hard.
But guess what? That is how you're going to stand out. Creating a business is not easy. If it was easy, every single person on the planet would have one and be a millionaire, right? But where you're gonna make your money is doing the things that nobody else wants to do. So if you're thinking, ugh, YouTube is hard, instead look at it this way. Sure, YouTube is hard and you're gonna have to learn skills and you're gonna have to get good at it. But most people are gonna think the same thing you just thought. Oh, it's hard, I'm never gonna do this. But if you do it and lots of people aren't doing it, it's gonna be even easier for you to have success with it and cut through the noise. And this is exactly why I have a theory of why it's way easier to grow on YouTube than it is to grow on, say, Instagram. Anyone and their mother can quickly create a reel and post it, but creating a video takes more time. It takes more skills. It takes more effort. And I see that as a positive, not a negative. I see that as a positive that if I go that extra step and create videos, then I am going to stand out more easily and make sales. So I'm telling you right now, YouTube is where it's at. So do not delay. Create your channel and start posting videos today. So to summarize again, what I do, I grow a following on YouTube. I move those followers to email subscribers. And then I set up what's called an automated email sequence, which sounds way harder than it is. Essentially, you just write a few emails and you can schedule them so that when someone joins your email list, they're going to get an email day 1, an email day 5, an email day 7, or however you want it to be. And these emails can further give them helpful free information. And then eventually you can say, oh, and by the way, if you want to learn more, I have this digital product linked here where they can go and buy it. And this is the coolest thing ever, because once you have it set up, that is how you're going to make those elusive passive automated sales. So there you have it. That is how you can make around $15,299 a month or more creating and selling digital products and using AI tools like Canva and ChatGPT to speed up the process and your success. And now that you know all the steps to do it, now is your time to get started. So make your first step leaving me a comment below, letting me know what was your top takeaway from this video. This is going to help you retain the information, and I will personally respond to every single comment, and I look forward to seeing you flourish in your digital products journey. And now that you know how to create and sell digital downloads using tools like AI and ChatGPT, you might be wanting more ideas for different digital products you can make so you can choose the right one for you. But how do you do that? Well, it all starts with watching this video next here, because when you pair what you just learned with what's in this video, it's going to be way more powerful. See you in the next video.